In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your address on Strava Mobile. Keeping your home or workplace private is important, especially if you regularly start or finish activities in the same spot. Strava gives you simple controls to protect that location while still letting you share your achievements. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the bottom left and tap You. This takes you to your personal area where your profile and preferences live. Next, find the small settings icon in the upper left corner and tap it. This will open your account settings where all your privacy tools are organized. In Settings, tap Privacy Controls. This is the hub for who can see your activities and exactly how much they can see. From here, choose Map Visibility. This page focuses specifically on the maps tied to your activities, and it gives you 3 clear options that you can tailor to your comfort level. Hide a specific address is ideal if you want to protect a particular place, like your home. Strava creates a privacy zone around that address so your activity maps won't reveal the exact location. The visible parts of your routes will begin or end outside that zone, helping obscure where you live or work while still showing the bulk of your activity. It's a practical way to keep your routine spots private without turning off maps entirely. Hide start end is helpful if your routes vary, but your starting or finishing points might give too much away. This option obscures a portion at the beginning and end of your activity maps, so the exact location isn't exposed. It strikes a nice balance. People can still see where you went, but not precisely where you set off or finished. Hide all maps is the most private choice. If you select this, your activity maps won't be visible to others at all. Your distance, time, and other stats can still be shared, but the route itself stays hidden. This can be a great option if you prefer maximum privacy or you're participating in activities where location sensitivity is a priority. Once you've chosen the option that fits your needs, you're set. These controls help ensure future activities respect your preferences automatically. If your routine changes, revisit map visibility anytime to adjust. Keeping your address private on Strava is quick, clear, and flexible, so you can focus on your training and share with confidence.